Hello, and welcome to this video. And I'm sure you must be waiting for my videos from such a long time. And I would like to tell you that because my mom was not well and I was not here to record, and I was all focused on her health. And now I'm back with my YouTube channel, my new videos, and let's get started. Okay, so how are you feeling today? Write in the comments below, and let's get started on a very important topic, which is like, I have fixed everything, Neha. Resume, LinkedIn, everything I've fixed, but I am not getting the calls. Whatever you have said on resume, the power words and everything, but it's not working, and you are applying for so many jobs and still you're not getting the interview calls. So let me tell you very quickly a story. Okay, so one of my client, now he has come up to me having a 2 years of gap, and before hiring me as his career coach, he hired somebody else to make his resume, and he spent like 20,000 on LinkedIn optimization on resume, and he has sent a lot of applications. Okay, but then he's not getting the interview calls. So I was curious, and then we changed one thing. That one thing was not resume, was not his LinkedIn, it was the identity, okay, his story, and that changed everything. So stay till the end. I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can make this shift in yourself too. And this is such a powerful thing. Okay, now, let's understand first of all why specifically this resume is not working. Why this resume is not giving you that interview calls. Is it keywords or is it what? Okay, so uh, let me relate this with a very common or very classic story of that bamboo. You must have heard in your Instagram reels, and it's a very classic story. Everyone knows about that bamboo. So there, do you know about that Chinese bamboo? It takes like 5 years to sprout. You water it every day for 5 years, and nothing is happening. And during those 5 years, you feel like, yeah, I'm giving water to you. I'm consistently doing it, but you're not sprouting out. You're not coming out. Okay, and then in just 6 weeks, it shoots up like big 90 feet. Okay, your career comeback works the exact same way. It looks invisible when you are consistently doing something, but then it gives result after some time. But the important thing is that you must water the roots, which is your mindset, which is your identity. Okay, so let me tell you one other thing. Like, you must have heard about a lot of actors in the industry, right? And there are actors who speak about, yeah, we were struggling in the initial phase, we were giving the auditions and everything, we were there, and they were just trying, and they were kept showing up saying that I'm just trying to get started, I'm just trying, I'm giving the auditions. And until somebody told him that, you are not here to get started, brother. You are here to give value. Give value. From that day, he shifted his energy, and his big first role was booked. Okay, now there's another story. So you must have heard about, these days there are a lot of coaches, there are a lot of teachers, and there is a difference between a teacher who reads from the book and a coach who speaks from the experience, set the context, and talks about that thing that will actually give the transformation. Okay, now job seekers, they behave like a teacher. They repeat whatever is there on their resume. They repeat those lines. Okay. Now they mug up those lines, those KRAs or those assignments they have done. But the companies hire for a real value, not just the KRAs, not just the information on your resume. So you're not going to say that or mug up and just vomit it. Okay. Now, it's very important to shift your KRAs from the outcomes and speak that from your heart and talk about that identity, not the resume. So let's make this very very simple. Okay, you are not getting the job offers because your inner story is outdated. Your inner story is outdated, which means that your identity, your energy is low. Okay, so your identity and your energy should be high, and that will give you result. Okay, now if you go in front of a mirror which is cracked, you won't see yourself as a real person. You won't see it clearly. Your resume is just a mirror, and if your mindset is cracked with self doubt um, or maybe like frustration or low energy, then whatever you do fixing on your resume, it won't show you the real you. Okay, so you need to fix the source, that inner thing, not just the surface. Okay, so you need to shift from that old identity to a new identity. Okay, so let me tell you one more thing that many a times when I work with those having a career gaps, and they kept saying in the interview, I know I have a gap, but I'm willing to work hard. The moment uh, we say this, we create the doubts. Okay, instead of that, shift your sentence to, during my break I worked on my new skills in X or Y or AI or anything else. Okay, and that will increase your aura or your vibrations. Okay, so do you know about Yuvraj Singh, that cricketer? So do you know that he had a cancer? Okay, and after that cancer, he just did not say that I just want to play a game. He said that I'm here to win. That's a mindset change. Okay, so that's mindset is has to be there in your career also. Okay, so instead of saying that I have come from a gap, you or any opportunity will do, just give me that job, that sentences itself is not bringing that value. Talk about how you are a problem solver, how what you bring to the table. You shift the energy, shift the mindset. Okay, now I will give you 3-step formula which I generally give to my coaching clients, that write your gap growth story. What did you learn, okay, during your gap? What kind of experiences you handled, or whatever you managed during your break? Okay, and when you realize that you are having a break, and now if you upskill on XYZ skill, you will be known and you will bring that value for the employer or for the businesses. Then just go ahead and do that upskilling. Okay, now let me tell you one more thing, that one of my clients, she had 10 years of gap, and we worked on her career clarity codex. And you know she worked on her upskilling, she learned new AI tools, and now she's applying for virtual assistant roles and she's getting the calls. Okay, so once you realize that during this is the break time and this is a time, high time now, I should learn new leadership skills. Okay, so that's one, you confidently tell the recruiter or the hiring manager that this is what I have learned and this is what I bring to the table. So the recruiter will also see your leadership skills. Okay, so in fact, what you can do is you go in front of the mirror and just record your video. Record your video of what you bring to the table and what do you know, and talk talk with the mirror. Do that activity, okay? And practice that energy alignment activities, how you walk in the room when you are giving the interview. Walk like you belong to a story, like in a TED talk. A speaker, shares how the powerful is showing your poses, showing your confidence, and standing tall, and speaking from your heart. That that matters. Okay, so practice this every day for next 30 days, the mirror activity, and how you want to go to the recruiter. These activities change your mindset, change your inner thing, and then the identity gets shifted. Okay, so just be honest and just be present, and I'll see you in the next video.